Come with me into a magical world where wild nature's mountains, rivers, and vast skies blend perfectly with the genuine moments of animals and humans. Can you feel the deep connection between every living soul, telling a timeless story of love, life, and unbreakable bonds beyond all boundaries? Isn't it astonishing how this fisherman, holding only a tiny fish in his hand, still manages to catch more? How does patience and skill turn such a simple act into a breathtaking miracle? How lucky are we that the gate is tightly shut? Just imagine what chaos could unfold if two mighty lions were hunting outside, while dogs bark fiercely behind the gate. It's a powerful reminder of the fragile line between safety and danger in the wild. Watch closely as vehicles pass over this pothole, almost as if they are about to take flight. Can you feel that sudden thrill? It's moments like these that make everyday life unexpectedly exhilarating and full of surprises. The acrobat's flips and twists reveal masterful skills that captivate every onlooker. Have you ever witnessed such breathtaking artistry? Their every move creates a dance of pure excitement and awe that leaves the audience completely mesmerized. This owner playfully teases a goat by hiding inside a sack, leaving the confused animal desperately searching. Isn't it delightful how simple moments of fun bring laughter and connection between humans and animals? It's a joyful reminder of life's little pleasures. The fury of this flood is terrifying beyond words. How small and powerless do we feel in the face of nature's wrath? Yet, it also teaches us resilience and the unstoppable force of life pushing through even the darkest storms. Witness the stunning domino effect as an entire forest collapses in a cascade of falling trees. Have you ever seen such a powerful natural spectacle? The sheer force and beauty of this moment command respect and awe for nature's relentless energy. This man's quick action saved a family's possessions when he spotted a small fire inside their home. Isn't it incredible how one person's courage can make a world of difference? Heroes often come in the simplest, humblest forms. Could this be the training ground for brave soldiers? The discipline and focus are palpable, reminding us of the sacrifices made to protect and serve. Moments like these honor the dedication behind every act of courage. The waves crash against the shore, forming magnificent walls of water. Isn't nature's power simply mesmerizing? Each splash tells a story of endless motion and energy, captivating the soul with its raw, untamed beauty. From afar, we marvel at the blooming mountain scenery. Doesn't the tranquil view fill your heart with peace? Nature's art in full display, reminding us to pause, breathe, and soak in the wonders surrounding us. Witness the dramatic eruption of molten lava spewing fiercely from the earth. How humbling to see the planet's fiery heart revealed. It's a reminder that beneath our feet, immense power lies waiting, shaping and reshaping the world. Nature's furious outbursts always make us feel so small and fragile. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer force of a storm or earthquake? These moments remind us of our place in the vast, unpredictable world we call home. We are so fortunate that the forest fire was extinguished just in time. Immense gratitude goes to the firefighters who risk everything to save these lands. Isn't their bravery the true spirit of hope and humanity shining through the smoke? Standing on a snow-covered peak, gazing into the distant horizon feels utterly majestic. Can you sense the vastness and silence that fills your soul? It's a moment of awe that connects us to the greatness of the natural world. Never ever try to cross train tracks when a train is speeding toward you. Can you imagine the horror that would follow? Please stay safe and respect the power of machines. Your life is worth protecting above all else. This river has almost carved its own perfect path, winding smoothly through the land. Isn't it fascinating how water persistently finds its way? Such natural perseverance inspires us to keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles. It's so rare to witness this, a black bear chasing a tiger. Can you believe your eyes? Nature's unexpected moments like these remind us that the wild is full of surprising and dramatic stories yet to be told. We must admire the precise skill of the firefighting helicopter pilots, dropping water exactly where the flames rage. How incredible is their control and bravery! Their efforts are vital to protecting lives and nature alike. Perhaps it's time for this man's salary to be raised, as he performs his duties with exceptional expertise. Have you ever seen someone so dedicated and skilled? Such professionalism deserves our highest respect and recognition. A rare and moving sight, buffaloes coming to the rescue of their fellow herd members against two attacking lions. Isn't this a powerful testament to loyalty and courage in the animal kingdom? Moments like these inspire us to stand united in adversity. Thank you so much for watching this journey with us. If these moments moved you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support helps us continue sharing the beauty and wonder of our world. Let's stay connected and inspired together.